Good morning, students. Now the last topic of the chapter number 2, evolution of atmosphere and the hydrosphere. Evolution of the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. In previous class, we studied about the evolution of the lithosphere, and now here evolution of atmosphere and the hydrosphere. We can understand we can understand the evolution of the atmosphere and hydrosphere in three stages. Here the stage number one, in the atmosphere here hydrogen and helium. In the atmosphere here the hydrogen and the helium. Firstly here the origin of the earth. Here the atmosphere and the total atmosphere here the maximum found here the hydrogen and helium. So we can also say the atmosphere of the hydrogen and helium found on the earth. And what here net the terrestrial planets like here the earth, Venus, Mercury, Mars have the nearby the sun and the solar wind, and the solar winds blew away the hydrogen and the helium, gas. Here the solar wind is powerful on these terrestrial planets, and the solar wind stripped off या blow away the hydrogen and helium. यानी क्या हुआ, हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम को यहाँ से उड़ाकर बाहर दूर ले गए. Then here the atmosphere start the transparent of the earth. In the second stage, during the cooling of the earth, the gases and the water vapor were released from the interior solid earth. Here the process of the differentiation and the cooling of the earth. The process of the cooling of the earth and the process of the differentiation, when here the heavier density matter and the lighter density matter separate. In this process the gases and the water vapor were released from the interior part of the earth. से क्या हो रहा है, the gases and the water vapor released, and the early atmosphere contained water vapor and gases like here the nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia and oxygen. Clear? Water vapor and the gases like here the nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia and oxygen. The process where gases were outpoured from the interior of the earth. This process is known as the degassing. So first of all, here the what is degassing? The gases were outpoured from the interior of the earth. This process is called the degassing. And what is the result of the degassing? Here the atmosphere, here the only hydrogen and helium, and here now continue here the increase the water vapor, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia and oxygen in the atmosphere. Then here in the next process, here the continuous volcanic eruption, and the water vapor and the gases increase in the atmosphere as the earth cooled, water vapor condensed. So what happened? Then here the earth cooled, then temperature decreased and the water vapor condensed. What is condensed? Here the water vapor convert into the water. This process is the condense and the temperature cooling down, temperature is down. And what happened? Then here they start the rainfall. CO2 got dissolved in the rainwater and temperature decrease. इस process में क्या हो रहा है, जब rainfall हो रहा है CO2 dissolve in the rainwater and the temperature decrease of the earth, and the more rainwater या rainfall start, and the rainfall water falling into trenches. The rainfall water atmosphere में जब rainfall हो रहा है, then here the और rainfall से क्या होगा, water कहाँ पे आएगा, जो trenches surface है lithosphere में, जो trenches surface है वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, water आ रहा है. Then here the form the ocean, and this process is the development of the hydrosphere. ठीक है, oceans बन रहे हैं, that is the hydrosphere. And the last stage, life began to evolve 3800 million years ago. Like here the 380 crore years ago. The process of the photosynthesis. ठीक है, firstly क्या start होता है, life began on the earth. life यहाँ पे life start हो रही है, यानी life began to evolve 380 crore years ago. Then what happened here? The phytoplanktons like here then, and the process of the photosynthesis start here. The photosynthesis का रिजल्ट क्या होगा? CO2 को तो क्या करेगा फोटोसिंथेसिस में? Absorb and the O2 release. Then here the transparent environment of the low CO2 and the high, like approximately the 21% oxygen environment, transparent environment on the earth. Total here the three stages of the development and the evolution of the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. And the first stage here the hydrogen helium atmosphere stripped of solar wind. Solar wind क्या करती है? हाइड्रोजन हीलियम को उड़ाकर बाहर ले जाती है, दूर ले जाती है, because here the solar wind is the powerful on the terrestrial planet. In the second stage during the cooling of the earth, gases, water vapor were released from the interior solid part. Then here the what happened? The cooling of the earth and the differentiation process of the earth, water vapor and the gases released from the solid part of the earth, the interior of the earth, and the early atmosphere contain. इस atmosphere में जो भी है क्या? Water vapor, nitrogen, oxygen, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन एंड अमोनिया. दिस जब इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ से क्या हो रहा है? ये बाहर आ रही है. एंड कंटिन्यूअस वोल्केनिक इरप्शन, वाटर वेपर एंड द गैसेस इंक्रीज ऑन द अर्थ. And as the earth cooled, the water vapor condensed and the start here the condensation से क्या होता है? Then here the water vapor converted in the water and the rainfall start here. Then the rainfall, then CO2 got dissolved in the rainfall water and the temperature decrease of the atmosphere. And the water result here the start the rainfall and the falling into the trenches, and the trenches flow with the water. Then these are called the hydrosphere or oceans. And the third stage the life began to evolve before the 380 crore years ago. 380 crore years ago. And the process of the photosynthesis start here. The process of the photosynthesis start here. जब यहाँ पे life start हो रही है, then here the photosynthesis start here. And the CO2 used in the photosynthesis, then here the decrease the CO2 and the increase the oxygen in the atmosphere, and now the ready atmosphere जो अभी है वो हमें मिल रहा है. ठीक है. After the three stages of the evolution of atmosphere and the hydrosphere. And the last here the origin of the life is a result of the chemical reaction. क्या it considered that the origin of the life is considered from the chemical reactions. The firstly generate complex organic. पहले क्या बनता है? Complex organic. Then here the molecules and the assemble them. ये क्या बन रहे हैं? complex organic molecules बनता है और फिर ये एक जगह इकट्ठा होने लगते हैं. And then convert inanimate matter into the living substance. जो निर्जीव हो वो क्या होता है? living substance में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. एंड हियर द स्टार्ट द ओरिजिन ऑफ द लाइफ ऑन द सरफेस. हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द geographical time scale. In the geographical time scale, all the process of the here the life began to the earth. ठीक है. आपको geographical time scale हम जब स्टडी करेंगे उससे पहले आपको मैं जोग्राफिकल टाइम स्केल की एक टेबल भेजूंगा. आपको वो क्या करनी है? राइट डाउन करनी है. ठीक है. जब भी नेक्स्ट गूगल मीट की क्लास होगी उसमें हम जोग्राफिकल टाइम स्केल को डिस्कस करेंगे. आपको उसे लर्न करना, आपको भेज दी जाएगी. ठीक है. यू शुड लर्न द जोग्राफिकल टाइम स्केल टेबल एंड वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द जोग्राफिकल टाइम स्केल इन द नेक्स्ट गूगल मीट क्लास.